Welcome, this is for IM2. Here I will be covering DeltaMath. This is going to cover the DeltaMath solution on axis of symmetry and vertex with technology. With technology, I am referring to DESMOS Graphing Calculator. To find this, type in DESMOS Graphing Calculator. The question asks, to find the coordinate of the vertex of the following parabola using graphing technology. Write your answer as a point. So x comma y. So here we want to write down our function. So y equals to negative 2x squared minus 20x minus 38. We just want to write it down so we know what to type in. Okay, so y equals negative 2x squared minus 20x minus 38. All right, let's just double check. Good. Oh, I don't see it, so let's zoom out a little bit. Zoom out. Oh, there it is. Let's keep zooming. Oh, there it is. So let's zoom back in. So you have to zoom in and out just to see it. All right, so the point here is the vertex. The vertex is defined as either the minimum or the maximum. For this, it is the maximum. And it is at negative 5 comma 12. So we write negative 5 comma 12. Okay, good. Let's just hit submit. Hit yes. That is correct. The point is as negative 5 comma 12. That is the vertex. Let's go to the next problem. Here it asks us to find the equation of symmetry for this one. All right, same process as before, but now we want to find the equation for it. Okay, minus 20x minus 40. We just want to write this down. Y equals to negative 5x squared plus 20x minus 40. So we can write y equals negative 5x squared plus 20x minus 40. Oh, do we see it? Let's zoom anywhere. Oh, there it is. Let's zoom back in. And we're looking for this. So this is the vertex. So the vertex is at 2 comma 20. But we want the equation. So the equation for the line comes straight down. If we're coming down, we're only looking at the x value here, right? The line of symmetry is just, for this parabola, is just the x value. So x is going to be equal to 2. So you're just only looking at the x part of the vertex. So x equals to 2. Hit submit. Hit yes. That is our correct answer. So the axis of symmetry goes through the x value. So if you can find the vertex, you can find the axis of symmetry. All right. So let's do that one more time. Here it asks us to find the vertex. So let's just do this one for the vertex. Y equals to negative x squared plus 12x minus 30. Y equals negative x squared plus 12x minus 30. Zoom out. We saw it is this point, so the vertex is 6 comma 6. So we would say it is 6 comma 6. That is our point. That is correct. If you want to okay, and next hopefully we can get a line of symmetry question. Perfect. Axis of symmetry. So we have it here. Y equals 5x squared minus 50x plus 130. Let's enter this into DESMOS. So y equals 5x squared minus 50x plus 130. Yeah, 130. Oh, so it is a minimum at 5, and we only look at the x value because it's the line is coming straight down and it passes through the x value, so it is 5. So it would be x equals to 5 for the line of symmetry. We saw it right here. The line goes straight down and it passes through the x value of the vertex, so x is equal to 5. All right, so there you go. That's everything you need to know how to do the axis of symmetry and vertex with technology.